Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to log into the BBC staff account portal. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, on your PC, laptop or even your smart device, open up any web browser and then head on over to google.com, and then from there type in login BBC staff account, and this will bring up a list of results inside Google. And then click on where it says BBC Staff Portal, so it'll be staff.bbc.com. So go ahead and click into that link, and that will take you to the official website where you need to log in, where you can log into your BBC staff account. And now if you scroll down, it will have access staff system, so I have a whole bunch of different things you can do here. So you got your gateway, email, reset your password, unlock your account, etc. So to log into your account, what you need to do is click onto gateway. That will log you into your staff account portal, and then give that a few moments to load. And then once this page has loaded, you'll be given an option to type in your email or BBC username, so put it in there, and then your password, and then simply log in. If you got stuck with anything, click on can't log in, and then that will take you to another web page. And then, so if you've forgotten your password, you can click on I forgot my password here, or email. And then if your account is locked, you can click on that too. So you got a whole range of different options here if you can't log in. Alright, that's it for this quick video, guys. How to log into your BBC staff account. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.